This is Alva's family vlog. It's raining outside, so we're playing Mega Dance Mayhem.
Dad is the current Mega Dance Mayhem Master Mover.
Oh, yes.
But not for long.
Requested weather alert. It will stop raining and the sun will come out in 1.5 minutes.
I guess we better take the fun outside while we can.
Aw, just 5 minutes more, Dad, please.
Well...
We're having so much fun.
True. However, the game will always be there. You need to decide what you want to do, Alva. In or out?
Huh? I know who might like to play video games with me. Mo, go Gizmo! It's raining in Gizmo too.
Indeed, but the Giz meteorological forecast is for the clouds to part just about now.
Yay!
Hi, Alva.
Hi, Mo.
Hello.
Hi, Oolies.
It stopped raining, so there's a chance we might see a Gizmo.
A Gizmo?
It's a rainbow that's also a slide.
That sounds neat.
But we've never actually seen one yet.
Just regular rainbows.
Well, while we're waiting for a maybe Gizmo, could we play a for real video game?
Okay. But we don't want to miss the Gizmo if it comes.
Don't worry. Mo is great at looking out and giving weather alerts.
A Gizmo?
I'd love to ride one, but I wouldn't love having to queue up for my turn.
But what if every Oolie in town was stuck indoors and we had the Gizmo all to ourselves?
Hi, Alva. What do you think? Apparently, all the bears dress like this now.
Oh, right. Well, do you like it?
You look amazing! I have a green nose of my own at home.
You look like an emperor.
Totes Marilicious.
Oh, yeah, totes. Whatever they said.
Well, I guess you know more than me.
Exactly. No need for these now. You make sure nothing happens to this bin, Glumph.
These clothes makers are an awful lot like sway makers.
Mayor Garth, your Gizmering ceremony?
Oh, of course. Well, thank you for your kind work. It's time to go. Bye.
Happy Gizmering!
Have fun.
Oh, yeah, like that's going to happen.
Mayor Garth? Is that you?
Doesn't he look great?
Oh, it's totally, styling.
I really liked your old clothes.
Well, now they're in a bin in the Oolie La La shop. There's no going back.
Mo, why do all the Blobbos like such a crazy outfit?
If the Blobbos think Mayor Garth is happy, then they are happy.
But is Mayor Garth happy? I think these sway makers are swaying the Blobbos.
Oh.
So exciting!
We could always do it tomorrow, Mayor Garth.
Oh, an Oolie mare never breaks with tradition.
Okay, Mayor. Ready when you are.
Oh, my.
Mayor Garth!
What? It was my new robe.
Affirmative. I detect it is part of the design.
Okay, let's try again.
not sure about this.
Oh, Mayor Garth. We can't Gizmo you with your chain of office if you're not happy.
I'm not. That's it. I've had enough. I don't like these clothes.
Okay, Mo. Time to pay Oolie Lala a visit.
He looks like a giant pea.
No, Mayor. No Gizmayering ceremony. What mischief?
A brilliant plan, Skater.
Of course! Trolls!
It seems Troll Glump is still sitting on the bin guarding the mayor's clothes.
Mo, can you create a diversion so I can get the mayor's clothes back?
Affirmative, Alva.
Gripeweed gruel? How did that get there?
Who cares? Mischief makes me hungry. Oh, gripeweed gruel.
Me first.
Get out of my way! Move! Out of my way! It's mine! It's over!
Thanks, Mo. Let's get out of here.
Where did it go?
Glump, you left the bin unguarded.
Please come out, Mayor Garth. I have your old clothes.
But that's the problem. People will think I'm unstyling.
It doesn't matter what other people think, Mayor Garth. It's what you think that truly matters. I know just how you feel. I don't like these green eyebrows. I want my old ones back.
That's better. I feel like my good old self again.
Mo, I think the Blobbos are really, truly happy for Mayor Garth now. Ready?
Ready?
We're first in the queue.
We're the only ones in the queue.
Aw, I feel sorry for all those Oolies who are stuck indoors playing that game.
If only there was a way to get them to come out and join us before it fades away.
Mo, could you ask the Blobbos to show the other Oolies what they're missing? Like you did with the rainbow projection.
Oh, this gives me a chance to practice my Blobbo speak.
Menti, orna, senti, sweetie, oomy, flowery, bloomy, zoomy. Singing the magical song backwards worked, Alva. Now everyone grab a pot and bring it out to the plaza and let's have the best spring-a-dang ever! Welcome to Spring-a-Dang! What's going on?
How did he fix everything back?
Zoomy, bloomy, flowery, oomy, sweetie, scenty, ornamenty. Yeah, there's nothing worse than the sound of happy oolies.
Yes, there is. The sound of snack-upping trolls. Snack-up!
Not again!
Snack up! Snack up!
Snack-up!
Thanks for saving Spring-a-Ding, Alva. Going outside and sliding down the Gizmo was just so much more fun.
Yes, because games will always be there, but the Gizmo won't.
Oh, no. We should have stayed in the queue. No!
Thanks for an Ooliful day. The Gizmo was amazing, and best of all, I got to share it with everyone in Gizmo as well.
All thanks to you and Mo, Alva.
Well, it wasn't just us.
Thank you, Blubbos.
We won't let a video game make us miss out on special Oolie events ever again.
Me too. Okay, Mo, time to go.
Goodbye.
I'm going outside to have fun with the fam. This is Alva signing off.